Hello everyone, it's Mark at Knives and More. What's happening here is a review of a CRKT Carson M16-13Z Zytel folding pocket knife. This is a tactical type EDC. Flipper, liner lock. CRKT makes, they make probably 4 or 5 different models of this knife. This 13Z Zytel model sells for around $50. That's its current price. This knife is a favorite of mine for a budget conscious EDC. Let me give you a few specs on it quickly, if I may, please. This knife is 8.25 overall total length, 3.5 inch blade length. Blade thickness is 0.12. The blade material is AUSIC 4. It's a spear point type blade design. It's partially serrated, sharpened on one edge. The handle length is 4.64 inches. And the handle thickness is 0.59 inches. Stainless steel frame liner, 3.5 ounces. It's right hand, tip down, carry only, manual flipper with the thumb stud. With a lock. Jimping on the back of the blade. Fits great in my hand. The designer is Kit Carson. The knife is made in Taiwan. I'm very happy with this blade. I kind of forgot about it in my collection, and then I pulled it out, put a couple drops of oil on the pivot, and it surprised me how well it opened and how nice it felt. I would highly recommend this. Again, the CRKT M16-13Z Zytel model. Alright, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Alright, bye now.